They're all cute when you chew their food. There's Miss Purple, Mr. Red, here Mr. Yellow right here. Oh, no, Mr. Orange, Mr. Yellow. Yeah, here you go. Yeah. Whoops. There's Mr. Yellow right there chewing his food. Mr. Green says I'm hungry too. Here you go. There you go, those are good. Yeah. Got Mr. Red right there. Miss Purple. Mr. Green. Mr. Yellow. Oh, you're Miss Pink, not Miss Purple. Yeah. There's Mr. Yellow back there in the background. Mr. Green's head in there. Hey guys. Hi, Mr. Green. Let's get Mr. Orange out here. Yeah. Oh. They're like, oh, this is very good. Oh, Miss Purple says I'm hungry too. Miss Pink over there. Oh, we got right here. We got Mr. Yellow right there. Mr. Yellow. And we got Mr. Red. Oh. And then Mr. Orange. And then Mr. Green. They're like, feed us. Yeah, just a matter of days before they start eating it all by themselves. Oh, that's good. Oh. Here you go, Mr. Orange. Let me spit it all out. I think it's pretty good stuff. Yeah, Miss Pink and Miss Purple. The puppy cough. Oh, are you alright? Yeah, there's Mr. Orange. Where are you going? Where are you going, Mr. Orange, huh? Mr. Yellow, hello, Mr. Yellow. And Mr. Red. Oh, we got Mr. Green right here, too. Look at Mr. Yellow just looking. He says hello. They said we want some more food. They're all covered in it. They crawl on each other with it. Where you going, Mr. Orange, huh? Mr. Green. Hey, Mr. Green. Yeah, and then I got messy puppies.